Well, hello everyone and welcome to this guide on how to use Thinkific to launch and sell courses online. To do this, we'll be exploring the primary admin dashboard, master the brand new visual course builder, learn how to inject rich media using Content Uploader, deploy AI-driven page editors, how to build a thriving Thinkific community, and analyze the current subscription tiers so you can optimize your profits. Also, if you want to try Thinkific yourself, you can use my link down below in the description to start building and selling your online course with a 30-day free trial. So let's jump straight into the command center. Now, once you log into Thinkific, you instantly land within the centralized admin dashboard. This is your operational home base. On the left side of the screen, you have your core navigation sidebar. This groups your tools into intuitive sections, such as products, channels, marketing, sales, analytics, and more. If you go over to integrations, you will see some more apps which you could be using Thinkific with. In the course of this guide, we'll be touching those points from time to time. And then of course you have settings. Before we go into the details of these, let's show you how you can create your first course. So first things first, you need to go over to the home button and then you can click on create right here. You need to choose if you want to have a digital download, a course, coaching, webinar, community, or membership. So we're going to go ahead and choose the coaching option. And what this does is it takes you to this page, which is powered by AI, where you get to describe your audience and what they'll learn. You can simply choose one, either you describe your audience or decide to write what you expect them to learn. So let's just simply put this: stop trading hours for dollars, master the psychology of high performance behavior, structure your signature coaching framework, and learn the exact system to attract and close premium high ticket clients. So click and create. And what this does is you just simply need to wait for the AI to process and build a landing page, populate some options for chapters and lessons, which we'll be seeing in a moment. Now, as you can see, it has event, pricing, and landing page. If you chose a course or something else, the options right here would be adjusted to accommodate the needs of your course. But because this is a coaching thing, you'd be having event, pricing, and landing page. Before we talk about the landing page, let's go to event. Then right here under the event, you'll be providing the details such as the name. You can see high ticket coaching mastery. And then when it comes to the event type, you can choose if you want it to be a webinar or coaching. Let's just bring this up closer. So we have webinar or coaching. And if you choose coaching, this means a one-on-one or group session. If it's a webinar, it's a live event with many attendees. So which one would you prefer? So let's try to have the webinar option. If you choose webinar, you have these options. Webinar details such as the date, the time, duration, and the time zone and meeting URL. This could be a Zoom link, a Google Meet link, or another video conferencing service. So this is up to you. So if you choose coaching, you have your coaching details, how to schedule. So you're going to provide a booking page URL. There are lots of booking options. You could schedule via Calendly, Google Calendar, Zoom Scheduler, or other services. So we're going to choose webinar. And then we're going to choose a date. We're going to say July 15th, set the time, 10 a.m., duration, we can say an hour, and we're going to say an hour 30 minutes. Time zone, we're going to choose Pacific time. And then for the URL, we're going to save this and provide some more details later. Or of course, if we're not coming back, it's pretty simple. If you have your Zoom and you've created a meeting for this date, you can simply copy the meeting link and put it right here. And then of course, as you scroll down, you want to have your image and description. This is like your brand packaging. The event image is what users or potential client will be seeing, so you need to make it something that will match with the webinar or coaching session. So you can click on the upload button and this will take you to this page. You can drag and drop your image right here from your local drive, use a link, do a web search, use Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. These are part of the integrations which we mentioned earlier. So you could either go to the integrations tab and pre-connect them, or since we're here, you can simply click on Google, click and sign with Google, and then it will be integrated where Thinkific will gain access to your Google Drive to get the image you want. If we choose web search, we're just going to search for coaching. So let's go ahead and say we want to use one of the pictures here. Just going to choose this one. This is what we have. Then say upload. Great. So we have an event image, and then you have your event product description. Click Save Settings. And as you can see, we have an error right here. So we're just going to provide a Google Meet link and then say Save Settings. And we have that successfully done. Going to go up and then go to the pricing. Now for the pricing, you have 3 options for your coaching, and this is called the primary pricing. So you get to choose if you want a free lead magnet as your primary pricing, a one-time payment, or a monthly payment. Do take note of the differences. The free lead magnet provides a free event in exchange for potential customer contact info. Then for the one-time payment, you charge them for a one-time fee to access the content. And depending on the price, if you want to make it an installment, you can choose the monthly payment plan. Now, this is a free lead magnet, which we'll be choosing, but if we say one-time payment or monthly payment, you see that you have this option to put in the price. So you can say $80, for example, or if you choose a monthly plan, you can say $100, and then you could say 4 months, which could be about $25 per month, which is fine. But before you click on Save Primary Pricing, you will need to set up payments. Now, because you're trying to have a course which you'll be selling, you need to set up your payments to receive the money. So you can click on Set Up Payments, and do take note that it's taking you to another Thinkific page where you have payments. This is under Settings. As you can see, it's in a blue highlight. Now, Thinkific has some options. You have the third-party payment providers. You can use Stripe, connect your account. You can use PayPal by putting your PayPal email and merchant ID. And these 2 options are great. At this point, I would like to remind you that if you want to use Thinkific yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start building and selling your online course with a 30-day free trial. So once you're done making your choice, go ahead and click on Save and go back to your home or your products. And this will be gone. And so you can go down and click Save Primary Pricing. But for this tutorial, we'll be using the free lead magnet. And then if we click on Save Primary Pricing, we have that. And then your landing page. Now, this is also important. Your landing page is where others will get in and see what you have to offer. Unlock your coaching potential. You have some details here. You have the date as we selected, July 15th, 10 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. America, Los Angeles, the time zone. And then, of course, the prospective students or client will be putting their name and email and then click on Sign Up. Now, you can edit your landing page by simply using the Edit Page button right here. If you click on it, you come to your web editor. It's simple as just clicking on an area or highlighting an area and making some changes. Then, of course, you can repeat the process. This cannot be changed because this was on the back end, but if you want to change this image, you can click on it and you can click the Upload button where you have something similar like when we were uploading this particular image in the first place. Depending on what you have, you could adjust the scale, move it up or down, or any direction you want it to be. So once you click on Apply after uploading, that's what you have. And then, of course, if you want to add an image to John Doe, who is the founder and CEO of Coaching Mastering Inc., you could upload it and do the same process. Now, because websites today need to be responsive, you have the web version, which is what we're looking at currently, and then you have the mobile preview. Let's click on it, and this is what it will look like on a mobile device. If it looks great, you're good to go. So once you're done making some edits on your site, you could go ahead and click on Preview if you'd like to view it once again, or simply click Save. And when it's saved, you can click on the X at the top left corner because we're done with the site. Now, because we want to sell on Thinkific, there is more we need to do. You can go over to Marketing, Sales, and Analytics. These will be your best friend tabs because these are the places you need to be in order to observe and make some improvements and observations. So let's say you're done with your course, you can go over to marketing and then you could work out your leads, your funnels. And as you can see under funnels, you have the free lesson funnel or the sales page funnel. This is of course a paid option. So here it creates a simple 2-step funnel using a customized sales page and checkout. So if you click and create, you can go ahead and create your sales page funnel. Then of course under sales, you have bundles, coupons, orders, invoices, and revenue partners. With bundles, you can package any type of product together, multi-course plus coaching bundle, and offer discounts or incentives to encourage sales. Then of course you have coupons. Everyone loves coupons, so if you go into this, you can attract new customers to boost loyalty and increased revenue. Then here you have your invoices. Invoicing is a great way to keep track of your payment and stay organized and professional, and will definitely come in handy when you're preparing your taxes. And then over time, you want to see your analytics. You want to see your marketing analytics, revenue analytics, enrollment details, and engagement details as well. As you can see under marketing, you'll be seeing new visitors, new cards generated, cards to visitors ratio, all the details which will give you the proper insight for success. Now let's go back to products, and here we have communities. Communities are a great way to foster engagement between clients. So of course you can create your community depending on your plan, and click on the plus icon right here and create your community according to your preference. Now under memberships, this is yet another income stream which you could create. With this, you can enjoy steady income while providing your audience with exclusive access to your content and perks that keep them coming back. So if you have something to offer, you can use the new memberships instead of just packing everything into the coaching webinar or the coaching one-on-one sessions. Doing all of these will ensure that you have a great course which you've been able to launch and successfully sell online. Thinkific is a great site engineered for you as a creator who wants to transform your knowledge into an asset. So if you want to try Thinkific yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start building and selling online courses with a 30-day free trial. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.